Hi students, so in this session we are going to discuss about the angles. So what is an angle? So an angle will forms at the initial point of the two rays is called point. So the point will be forms at initial point of two rays. So here O A ray it is, and I am going to draw another ray, that is OB ray. So here OA and OB, two rays are starts at O only. So at this place the angle will form. So at this place the angle will form. The region between the rotation between the A to B. So here OA is a ray, and here it is OB ray. The rotation between the OA ray and OB will become angle. So here the angles will be indicated by the degrees. So it will become 5 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees, like that it will be indicated. So the units of the angle is degrees. So measure means length. Here it is a rotation. So rotation means we have to use degrees further. Rotation means one complete rotation will become 360 degrees actually. So here how much rotation is completed in between these two rays we have to find, means we can find with the using of using of angles. In our daily life we are using this angle at anywhere. So corner of the rooms and corner of the blackboard and opened door, opened scissor, in between these two rays the angle will form. Here we open the scissor like this, means the here these two are the arms, and in between this part is called in between these two arms angle will be there. Understood? So like that angles will form at the initial point of the two rays. So here this will become called as a vertex also. O is called and vertex, and OA and OB are two arms, and O is called vertex. So here OA and OB are the arms and O is called vertex. So vertex means corner. Okay. Next, here this is about the angles. So after that concept of angle, how to give the name of the angle? How to give the name? So here how can we read this angle? So here we have to read this as angle AOB. This is angle AOB. It can be written as, when you are reading you have to read like this, angle AOB. But when you are going to write this angle symbol, you have to use, this is the symbol for angle, angle AOB, or we can write this as angle BOA. Here vertex must be in the between, where you, if you want to indicate one angle, means that angle, that vertex must be in middle. Okay. So from where to where you are going to say that either arms must be either sides of the vertex. So arms ki etwaipu arms etwaipu unnayo aa arms ni manam either sides cheppali, aa vertex ni madhyalo cheppali. Okay. So ilaga manam indicate chestam. This is the indication of angle. So this is the symbol for angle. We have to read that angle as angle AOB or angle BOA, you can read. Understand? Next, after naming of the angle, and we are going to discuss about what are the interior region and what is the exterior region of the angle. So now I am going to form an angle here. Here PQR. This is angle PQR or RQP. You can read anywhere. Okay. Here you can observe in this plane, this is the angle. The interior of that angle means this line, this is a ray, so that it will be extended by like this, and it will be extended by like this. So this place is called, which is inside of that two rays, is called the interior region of the angle. So here what is the exterior region? So outside of that angle will become exterior region. If I put a point here, x, this x is a interior of the angle. So interior x is placed in the interior region of the angle, and here h I plot here. So h is the exterior, and P and R are the on that angle. This is interior, this is exterior, this is the angles placed on points placed on the angle. Understood? This is about the exterior region and interior region of the angles. Okay. So now what are the topics we discussed? First, angle will forms at the initial point of two rays, and the two rays will become called as a arms, and the place which is intercepted by the two arms is called vertex. So here interior region means the space which is inside of the angle is called interior, and outside of the angle is called exterior region. So these are the things we discussed. Now how to give the name also we discussed. No, how to give the name means vertex must be in the middle. We have to put angle symbol there, angle P Q R, or we can read that as angle R Q P also. So like this we can give the name for the angles. So next thing, we have to observe some examples. So see the example 8 in page number 74. Example 8, identify all the angles, all the line segments and all the angles in the given figure. So now we are going to identify the all lines and line segments, or all line segments and all angles. Here we are going to find the line segments. So O to A one line segment, O to B, OC, OD, sorry, OC and CD. OD is not a line segment here. OA, OB, OC and CD. So OA, OB, OC and CD are the four line segments are there in the given figure. So now we are going to find the angles. Here how many angles are formed, we have to find first. Okay, how many angles are formed? First A, from A, O, B, angle A, O, B, or we can write this as angle B, O, A also, and next A, O, C also, A, O, B and A, O, C. So angle A, O, C or angle C, O, A, we can write that like that. And B, from B, O, C. So angle B, O, C, we can write this as C, O, B also. And next angle, here angle O, C, D. At C angle was formed. So what we have to write here, angle O, C, D. C must be the vertex here. Here for these two angles, three angles, O is the vertex. At O, three angles were formed. Here 1, 2, complete 3. So three angles are formed at O only. But at C, one angle was formed, that is OCD. So when we are going to say about the angle C, we have to use the O and D as arms. OC and OD, OC, CO and CD are the arms for the vertex C. Understood? So like this we can form four angles. We can write four angles in the given figure. Like that you have to observe. Understood? So next example 9, name the marked points in the interior of EOB and exterior of COE and on the angle COB. So interior means, already we know that interior means inside, exterior means outside of that angle, and on the lines means the points which points are on the lines. Okay. So these three you can recognize easily. You can observe there in page number 74. Okay. Next video we will discuss about the exercise 4.3. Thank you.